Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It's a gorgeous Friday morning here in paradise, Naples, Florida. The landmark, Naples Pier. What's left of it after being ravaged by Hurricane Ian. Just wanted to take you for a little stroll on the beach here. See some of these beautiful early morning colors. See what the pier looks like. Gorgeous out here. It's about 70 degrees. Gonna get up to around 80, 82 here in Naples. Maybe 84 on the high side. We'll see. Getting that little golden glow over to the east there, where the sun's gonna pop up. The water temperature is 76 degrees. The tide is on its way in. Today's high tide's right around 11 o'clock. Water's nice and calm. Absolutely gorgeous out there. Hey, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples. Visit their website, boatnaples.com. Check out all of the awesome tour packages they offer. Give them a call. Ask them about our Thursday evening Southwest Florida Television Sunset Cruises. Those are a lot of fun, complimentary beer and wine, a Slancha Irish Whiskey Sunset Toast. You got to call to get on board with us for those. BoatNaples.com. I haven't seen any dolphins out here yet this morning. It's actually been very quiet here. See the beach patrol. Actually, I think I saw the turtle patrol person going by. I'm going to give you an update on the Naples Pier later today. I'm going to record a little video when that sun comes up. Give you a better look at the pier. And I'm also going to share some links with you where you can go and stay on top of the rebuilding process. You can keep track of the bids that are coming in for the rebuilding. So check back later for that video. Gorgeous sky. Gorgeous sky. Look at that. Don't you wish you were here with me right now? I wish you were here with me right now. No fish yet. Still quiet on the home front when it comes to fishing. We haven't been down here for a while. I think the last time I was down here was in December. Maybe a look up to the north. One last spin all the way around here. hit that share button. I know a lot of people want to see the pier. A lot of people have fond memories of the Naples Pier. It'll be back. A whole new pier. The landmark, Naples Pier. Our symbol of strength. Hey, thanks for watching. Tally ho, my friends, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.